Planning initiatives without grounded cost projections invites budget chaos. How many times have teams moved forward based on loose assumptions? Vastly underestimating program resources required. The ensuing overages, scramble for funds, stalled progress creates waves of disruption across the organization. This program provides a reimagined approach to cost budgeting and control. We equip teams with precise estimating techniques. Attendees will master building detailed cost models using qualitative and quantitative variables tailored to each initiative type, including activity-based costing frameworks to accurately plan operations expenses. Granular modeling infuses budgets with new credibility. Imagine the impact this transformation in budget reliability enables. Executives approve investments with clarity on total budgets required by phase, confidently launching strategic projects, understanding detailed spending forecasts. Operations leaders can optimize resourcing plans and adjust course as markets shift, equipped with better visibility by phasing spending needs. Individually, finance team members unlock elite, specialized skills in project budgeting and cost control, with strategic modeling capabilities to guide decisions across the enterprise. This breeds new purpose growth trajectories into executive strategy roles.